Hello dear kids, today we are going to learn how to make paper mache mask. So let's enjoy the activity. Children, for this activity we need one balloon, newspapers, tissue papers, scissors, Fevicol, water and colors to color the mask. Children, first we are going to blow this balloon. Blow the balloon as per our face size. Okay. Then after blowing, use any rounded plate, bowl or any other thing to keep down. Okay. Now you can keep this balloon in this. Okay. After that you can take any type of newspaper which is available at your place. Now we are going to cut it. We are going to make small pieces approximately 7 centimeter by 7 centimeter or little smaller or bigger, any size, no problem at all. And then children, we need many more papers for this. After that, it is a glue plus water. Okay, we are using Fevicol plus water. We are making it little liquid. Then use brush and then apply this glue on a paper. Please don't apply on a balloon, because balloon is having little bit smooth surface. And then we are going to stick it like this. Okay, so we are going to stick like this 4 to 5 layers of a newspaper. Children, why we are using 4 to 5 layers of a newspaper? Because after sticking this, we are going to blast the balloon. So strength when we will get when we are sticking the 4 to 5 layers of the paper. After sticking the 4 to 5 layers, children, see, we are going to stick tissue paper or white color tissue paper, any color tissue paper you are having, you can stick at the end. So see, our this balloon is like a ball. Now after completing this, children, we are going to blast the balloon. So very slowly we are going to blast the balloon. Okay, so our balloon went inside and our ball is like as it is. Okay, now in the center, see, in the center we are going to draw a line from this side as well as from this side. Why we are drawing the line? Because we are going to get two parts. Okay, and we can make two face masks with the help of this. Now give a cut. Now see children, balloon is inside and these face masks are ready. Now we are going to draw different design on it. With the help of permanent marker or pencil, you can draw any type of faces on it, and then you can use acrylic color or poster color to color it. Children, we are going to give the plain coat first and then we are going to do the detailing. Okay. After completing coloring, children, see, our masks are ready.